Haka jinglang jongki kenhun menteri sorkar mentak sengi kala simia karai ya ka jingmenjur ya ka Meghalaya Witness Protection Scheme arjar arpsan na ka bentaban yada ya ki Nongsakhi hakane ke jelah. Menteri rangba apa penpena ya karai ka kenhun ki menteri hadin ke jinglang ulong ba ya ki lightly ki an thamai jong ka BNSS la pentrikam dak sorkar pedeng bat kumjuru la pentrikam dak sorkar jelah. Bat hakane ka ain ka batmai ka don ka kendon ban yada ya ki Nongsakhi bat ru ban thau ya kom yada ya ki Nongsakhi hak bai dei bat gane ka jingiada ya ki Nongsakhi la menjur ya ki kendon nak banta ka Meghalaya Witness Protection Scheme arjar arpsan dak jing thumu banai ya ki jingiada ka badon kam ya ki Nongsakhi haki mukadduma ba pher menteri rang ba ulong ro ba haman lagi district kendon ka committee hak ba on kli da waina pedang jong ki majistor jong district bat kindon ro ki dikhot na ki bor penia district bat kin simrai kat kum ki Jingjia berngam bat don kam ban ai ya ki ja jingiada ba pher ya Nongsakhi ka bala ban long ha ka dur jong ka jing bom pan pau kerteng bat ki Nongsakhi ki la ban ai ya ki jingkran jong ki ha ke kamera
is the decision of the cabinet to approve the Meghalaya Witness Protection Scheme 2025. Basically, it's not really a scheme as such, but that's how the nomenclature goes. And this basically, as you're aware, that the new laws, that the three new laws of BNS, BNSS and BSA have been implemented by the central and the state governments. And in this new laws, there is a provision for protection of witnesses, and a complete mechanism has been included in this entire process and the laws to protect, and a system to be created to protect witnesses. And based on that, we have approved this the rules for the Meghalaya Witness Protection Scheme 2025. And there are many details, of course, for it. I will not be able to go into all the details, but just to give you a basic idea that it is in every district level there will be a committee which will be headed by one of the district magistrates. There will be members from the administration in it, and they will decide on the basis of the level of threat and the need to give different kind of protections to the witness. The protections could be in the form of security, in terms of even anonymity, in terms of being able to give their witness or their entire statement on camera, and so on and so forth. So different provisions are there on the different protections, and it's been defined in the rules. But as I said, the basic idea being that these provisions are there in the new laws, and every state has to come out with these different schemes. And today the cabinet has approved the Meghalaya Witness Protection Scheme 2025 with the objective of giving necessary protection to witnesses in different cases. The last decision that was made by the cabinet today, again a very simple decision, was basically the amendment of the Meghalaya Housing, Engineering and Technical Service Rules 2017 of the principal rules for the housing department. Again, this is a very simple decision, as there was some additional posts that were created by the housing department for the overall execution of different works and responsibilities. Those different categories had to be included in the service rule, and so the service rule was amended to include those new categories of employees and staff that were introduced by the housing department, and that was the amendment that was made in the rules. So there's not a major change, and of course all these have been vetted by law department and personnel department.
Kini kide kikor komputer, kiba internet bador badar. Ni di hajan jongpi, hangne hadukan jongi. Han Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex, Harishan Enterprise, haka kamera kaba shispa iway. Refurbished laptop but desktop. phun hau number pra iwe lai arnot sau pra san sau lane pra lai nyo ar nyo sau ar ndru nyo. Pidon kam projector ban peni film ni pidon kam projector nak bentaki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyo lai iwe kendai ndru iwe ar nyo lai.